Exercise 3.9. In triangle ABC, if sin A by sin C equal to sin of A minus B by sin of B minus C, prove that A square, B square, C square are in arithmetic progression. Here we know that the formula sin formula A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. We can take the same formula as sin A by A equal to sin B by B equal to sin C by C equal to K. We want to take this formula equal to K here. So if you equate each and everything here like this, we can have sin A equal to AK. Same time, sin B by B equal to K is nothing but sin B equal to BK. And then sin C by C equal to K is sin C equal to CK. From this I want to take this given. What is the given thing here? Sin A by sin C equal to sin of A minus B by sin of B minus C. Okay. Here we can take this sin A is equal to sin of B plus C. Similarly, sin C equal to sin of A plus B. Okay, what are the angle is missing here? We can take here. So, sin A equal to sin of B plus C, sin C equal to sin of A plus B. Okay, we want to substitute this in the given thing from the problem here. So, here it's a given sin A by sin C. Instead of this sin A, I want to substitute this sin of B plus C. Instead of this sin C, I want to substitute sin of A plus B. Okay, and then cross multiply this thing. So, if you cross multiply, we can have sin of B plus C into sin of B minus C equal to sin of A minus B into sin of A plus B. And then here we have sin of B plus C into sin of B minus C, isn't it? It can be written as sin square B minus sin square C. Similarly, here also sin square A minus sin square B. Here I want to substitute that each and everything. Instead of sin A, we can have KB. Here square is there, so that K square B square. And then here sin square C, substitute KC the whole square, that is nothing but K square C square equal to sin square A is K square A square, sin square B is K square B square. And then we can simplify this. On both the sides K is common, so take K as common thing there. So K will be cancelled on either side. So remaining thing we have B square minus C square equal to A square minus B square. And then I want to keep B square in one side. So keep B square plus B square and take this C square to the other side. It is A square plus C square, which is equal to 2B square equal to A square plus C square. In arithmetic progression, we learnt about this, that middle number, that is B equal to A plus C, isn't it? Likewise, here also 2B equal to A plus C, isn't it? So, here we have B square and A square and C square. So, we can write this as A square, B square and C square are in AP. Second problem, the angles of a triangle ABC are in arithmetic progression if B is to C equal to root 3 is to root 2, find angle A. Here it's clearly given in triangle ABC, the angles are in arithmetic progression, isn't it? So, angle A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. So, I can write this as 2 into angle B equal to angle A plus angle C. Okay. I want to add angle B on both the sides, so that we can have 2 plus 1b, that is 3b, equal to here a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is nothing but angle in a triangle, that is equal to 180 degree. So I can write this 3b equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle B equal to 180 by 3, which is nothing but 60 degree. So now we got the value of angle B is 60 degree. Okay. Here by the sine formula already we have B by sine B equal to C by sine C, isn't it? So I want to take this as B by C equal to sine B by sine C. Here from the problem, here B is to C equal to root 3 is to root 2 is there. Okay, I can write this as B by C equal to root 3 by root 2, isn't it? So I want to substitute this in the given formula in this pattern, that B by C is nothing but root 3 by root 2. That is root 3 by root 2 equal to B is 60 degree. So sin B is sin 60 degree divided by sin C. From this I want to find out the value of C here, isn't it? So I can cross multiply. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 by keep sin C as it is there. Now we have that so root 3 by root 2 equal to this root 3 by 2 into sin C. We want to equate both the things there. Therefore from this I can conclude cross multiply and we can get the value of C. So sin C equal to root 3 by 2 into root 2 by root 3. Here I can cancel this root 3 and root 3. The remaining thing is root 2 by 2. Again I can cancel in the denominator as root 2 into root 2. I got 1 by root 2. Sin C equal to 1 by root 2. So what about C now? In that table, for which angle I want, I will get 1 by root 2, that 45 degree. So sin angle C equal to 45 degree. Already we have angle B equal to 60 degree and angle C equal to 45 degree. From these two I can easily find out the value of angle A. That angle A is equal to 180 minus of the sum of these two angles B plus C. That B plus C is 60 plus 45, that is 105. So 180 minus 105 is 75 degree. So here I got the value of angle A, angle B and angle C.